In this video, we will learn how to use range inside list comprehension to create lists quickly and efficiently. So what is range in Python? Range is a function that generates a sequence of numbers. So if you want to generate a sequence of numbers, you don't need to add hard-coded the number list one by one. Instead of that, you can use the range function. It is commonly used for looping a specific number of times. Syntax for it, everybody knows that, okay, that is range, start, stop, and step. If you don't know it, there is a video behind, you can search for it and you can find it out. This is a continuation of the last video, that is list comprehension. So here we will be using range function also in that. So list comprehension is a compact way to create list using loops in one line. So when we combine range with list comprehension, we can generate powerful sequence in just one line. So we will start with creating just a list of numbers from 0 to 9. We can write it like this. We can start with num equals to, you can open the list I for I in range 10, and we will close the list and we will just print the numbers. And you got 0 to 9. This is very easy to create the list. And you have the range function as well as the list comprehension. In the next example, we are going to get the square of numbers starting from 1 to 11. So definitely you are not going to get the square of 11. You will get the square till 10, that is 100. So you can give it as square equals to, you can start the list I into 2 for I in range 1 to 11. You can close it and you can print squares and you will get from 1 to 10, you're going to get all the numbers square. You can try another example. You can try to get even numbers between 0 and 20. Here you can use, or you have to use, conditional if statement inside the list comprehension. So we will try that. Even equals to list of I for I in range 0 to 21, and we will give the if condition. If I percentage of 2 equals to 0, that means the mod of I should be 0, and we will print the even. You got all the even numbers. If it is not equal to 0, then you are going to get all the odd numbers. The next one is, so you can get the multiplication table of 5. So we will write it as table 5 equals to list of 5 into I for I in range. We will get it till 10, so we will use 1 to 11. Close the index, close the list, and you can print the table. So print table underscore 5. You got 5, 10, 15, up to 50 you got. We will get the last example, that is, you can find the cubes of odd numbers between 1 and 10. Here, of course, we are going to use the if condition. So you can write it as odd cubes equals to list of I raised to 3 for I in range 1 to 11, and if condition, if I percentage of 2 is not equal to 0, and we will print odd. You got the result. The numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this is 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, 5 cube and 7 cube, as well as 9 cube, 9 into 9 into 9. So all these kind of things, instead of writing into 2, 3 statements, you can do it in just one liner. And this is one like little bit advanced level of list comprehension using range function that will be useful for data analysis. Hope this was a useful one. Have a nice